Good morning, children. How are you? I'm all right. How are your parents? Okay, then. Children, I'm going to give you the answers for the first lesson, history first lesson. Exercises, book bag. You take your social book, page number 12. The exercises. We'll see the answers for that. Okay. First, shall we start? All of you take page number 12. All of you, those who are having books, take page number 12. And those who are not having book, tell your parent to pay the fees and get the book back, children. Then only you can learn. Side by side, we are going to conduct the exam. And already our government has announced that the schools are going to be start from October, especially for 9th, 10th, plus 1 and plus 2. Okay, so you are in 9th standard, so you can have the school reopening from October onwards. So tell your parents to pay the fees and get the books soon. Then only you can learn. Okay. Come to the point. Shall we choose the correct answer then? Roman letter 1, question number 1. Yes. Dash is genetically closest to humans. 4 options are given. The correct answer is chimpanzee. B is the correct answer. Chimpanzee. Question number 2. The period called dash marks the beginning of agriculture and animal domestication. The answer is C, Neolithic. And question 3, direct ancestors of modern man was dash. Correct answer is C, Homo sapiens. And 4th question, dash refers to the area covering Egypt, Israel, Palestine and Iraq. For that, answer is Fertile Crescent. And 5th one, Sir Robert Bruce Foote, a geologist from England, first discovered the dash tools at Pallavaram near Chennai. The correct answer is Paleolithic. 6th question. We have 4 sentences. You have to say which are all correct. Okay. First sentence. The period before the introduction of writing is called prehistory. Second, the prehistoric people developed language, made beautiful paintings and articrafts. And third one, the prehistoric societies are treated as literate. 4th one, the prehistoric period is called ancient. Among these 4 sentences, which are all correct, you have to say. They gave the options also. The correct answer is C. That is, first one and the 4th sentence, they are correct. They are the period before the introduction of writing is called prehistory. And the 4th sentence, the prehistoric period is called ancient. Okay. Now, question number 7. And this is also the same. The Neolithic people used polished stone axes called cells. Evidence of Neolithic village is found at Payampalli in Chennai districts. The cultural period that succeeded the Neolithic is called the Bronze Age. And the 4th sentence is the period that witnessed domestication of animals and cultivation of crops is called Mesolithic. For that, among the options, the correct answer is A. That is, first only is correct, others are false. The correct answer A. That is, the Neolithic people used polished stone axes called cells. Okay. Now, question number 8. This gave you the sentence. The assertion means A. The reason for that, you have to say whether both the assertion or reasons are correct or incorrect. Okay. Assertion A. Many of the Mesolithic sites are found nearby rivers and tanks. And the reason is irrigation management developed during Mesolithic period. Among the options, the correct answer is D. That is A and B both are incorrect. They are not correct. Understand? Both of them, they are not correct. Incorrect. Okay. Now, we pass on to the fill in the blanks. Roman letter 2. First one. Hand axes and cleavers are the important tool types of the dash culture. The answer is low Paleolithic. The hand axes and cleavers are the important tool types of the dash culture, that is low Paleolithic culture. Okay. And next one, the methods and techniques involved in the production of stone tools are called dash technology. That is, the answer is lithic. 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 The next one, third one. Dash is known as the Middle Stone Age as it is placed between the Paleolithic and Neolithic. Between the Paleolithic and Neolithic period, the Middle Stone Age is called as Mesolithic period. So, the answer is Mesolithic period is known as the Middle Stone Age as it is placed between the Paleolithic and the Neolithic. Okay, children, now Roman letter 3, find out the correct statement. Here 4 statements they would have given here. You have to answer which one is correct. Which are correct and which are incorrect. First one, first statement. The concept survival of the fittest contributed to the scientific understanding of human origins. It is correct. The answer is correct. Okay. And B. The book on the origin of species was published by Herbert Spencer. It is incorrect. It's not correct. And C. Darwin's theory of biological evolution connects with the process of natural selection. That is correct. And D. Fourth one. Geology is a study of lithic technology. It is incorrect. Okay. Now, question number 2. A statement. Among the great apes, Orgoton is genetically the closest to humans. It is incorrect. It is not correct. Okay. The ancestors to humans were called hominins and their origins have been traced to Africa. That is correct. And C. Flake is a small chip that has flaking on both sides. It is incorrect. C is incorrect. And D is aquilin is the main block of stone from which small one chip of flaked by using a hammer stone. Okay, that is incorrect. Okay, children? Only B. Only the B statement is correct. Other 3, A, C and D, 3 are incorrect statements. Okay. And now, we'll pass on to letter 4. That is, match the following. In the left hand side, you are having the paleoanthropology, hand axe tools, images on stone and bone, red sand dunes, stone artifacts of small size. Here the options, the side, Terrace, Venus, Aquilin, microliths, the study of the human ancestors. Here, we'll see the answers then. First one, paleoanthropology, that is, the study of the human ancestors. E is the answer for that. And the second one, hand axe tools. For that, the answer is Aquilian. Third, images on stone and bone. The answer is Venus. Fourth one, red sand dunes. The answer is Terrace. And the fifth one, stone artifacts of small size. For that, the answer is microliths. Micronale small. So, உங்களுக்கு அது option clue உங்களுக்கு இருக்கு. Okay. That is, the answer is microliths. Next Roman letter 5. Answer the following briefly. In this you have 4 short answers. They are short answers. You have to write point by point. Shall we go to first one? Shall I say the answers? Are you ready? Okay. First question. Discuss how the age of speculation made humans become conscious and knowledgeable. That is, answer is point by point I'll say. First point, humans are the only species on earth concerned with understanding as well as explaining the world and universe. Second point, humans become knowledgeable and conscious in the course of evolution. And the third point is, they became curious and began to think and ask questions about nature, organisms, and the world around them. For that, the example is, at first, they worshipped nature as God. Already, while I am teaching the lesson, I told you, they worship nature as God. Later on, they developed their own understanding, some of which is not scientific. Thus, the age of speculation made humans become conscious and knowledgeable. Okay. And second question, we'll go to second question then. The question is, write a note on the impact of pastoralism on the prehistoric people in Tamil Nadu. The answer, first point, the people in the age practiced agriculture, domesticated cattle and sheep. Second point is, some of the groups were still hunting and gathering. Third point, millets and rice were cultivated. Fourth point, irrigation management developed in this period. In this deltaic regions, irrigation as a technology had developed. And the fifth point, evidences of rice are seen in megalithic sites like Adichanallur in Thoothukudi district and Porandal near Palani. Now, question number 3. List out the features of megalithic burial types. Burial type means what, children? The dead bodies. How they buried the dead bodies during megalithic period. Understand? First answer. First point, the Iron Age is also known as megalithic since people created burials with large stones for their dead people. Okay. Second point, within these burials, the skeletons or a few bones of the dead persons were placed along with the grave goods, including iron objects, carnelian, beads, and bronze objects. The third point, some of the burials do not have human bones and they have only the grave goods. Fourth one, they may be called memorial burials. They may be called memorial burials. Okay. Fourth question. Examine the tool making technical skills of lower Paleolithic people. The answer, first one, hand axes and cleavers are the important tool types of the lower Paleolithic period. Second, these tools were fitted with a wooden and bone handle They were used for cutting, piercing and digging. Here hammer, will hammer in our houses, no? சுத்தி நம்ம வீடுங்கள்ல நம்ம பார்த்துருக்கோம்ல, அது மாதிரி தான் உட்டன், நம்ம ஹேண்டில் எப்படி இருக்கும், உட்டனில் செஞ்சுருக்கோம். அந்த மாதிரி தான் அந்த காலத்திலே they had the tools were fitted with the wooden and bone handle. Okay. Third point, the people also use hammer, stones and spheroids. And fourth point, the quartzite pebbles and gobblers were chosen as raw materials. And the fifth point, the tools are found in the soil deposits and also in the exposed riverside. So these are the 4 short answers, brief answers. Now we'll pass to the detailed answer. How many detailed answers, children? 2 detailed answers are there for you. Okay, we'll see the answers then. Question number 1, the developments in the fields of agriculture, pottery and metal tools are considered a landmark in the life of megalithic period. Substantiate. Answered. Point by point you have to write. Okay. First one, as the name suggests, people use iron technology. Second point, an exchange relationship developed among the people. Third point, the people of this age had knowledge of metallurgy and pottery making. Fourth point, the Iron Age is also known as megalithic period since people created burials with large stones for the dead people. Fifth point, weapons such as swords and daggers, axes, chisels, lamps and tripod stands are also found. Sixth point, the iron tools were used for agriculture, hunting, gathering and in battles. And the seventh point, bronze bowls, vessels and stylish funnels decorated with animals and birds, bronze mirrors and bells have also been found. So these developments are considered a landmark in the life of megalithic people. Have you all understand, children? Okay. Shall we pass on to the second one? Second detailed answer? Yes. The question is, the history of human is closely related to the history of the earth. Elucidate. Answer. First point, the history of humans is closely related to the history of the earth. The same, what in your question, the same is the first point. Okay. Second, the earth contains geological, archaeological and biological records of historical times in its upper layers. Third point, they are important for reconstructing the history of the earth and various living organisms. Fourth point, the fossil bones of the human ancestors are embedded in the earth's layers. Fifth point, paleoanthropologists and archaeologists excavate the soil and rock layers on the earth and extract evidence about human ancestors. Sixth point, these layers and the fossils are scientifically dated to study the various stages in human evolution and prehistory. Seventh point, through the gathered evidence, they attempt to understand the evolution of human history and developments in a chronological order. Eighth point, the earth was formed approximately 4.54 billion years ago. Ninth point, gradually conditions emerged for the growth of organisms, then plants and animals came into being and thereby foundation was laid for the evolution of humans. The long span of time in Earth's history is divided into eras, periods and epochs by the geologists. Thus, the history of human is closely related to the history of the earth. Okay, children, so we finished our first lesson in history, all the exercises For the questions, answers, everything is over. Children, side by side, you have to learn. You can learn. Objectives alla one day la padinga. One day you learn, choose, fill up and find out the correct statement. That is all the objects is. One day you take for the brief answers. Understand? Another day, 2 detailed answers are there. One day you learn 1 detailed answer and another day you learn the another detailed answer. Then only it will be easy. While you are coming to school, I will teach you again elaborately. Okay. Thank you, children.